Hello, and welcome to UTS Library's tutorial video on managing and organising your information. Starting a research project is exciting, but one thing you shouldn't overlook is how you're going to stay organised. In this video, we'll look at ways to organise your information that will save time, help you collaborate, and improve the findability of your work.
I've done small projects before and keep misplacing my files. Is there a way to store them so I can find everything quickly?
When you start your project, it's always best to come up with a folder structure that makes sense to you. For example, a top-level folder with the project name and subfolders labelled Word documents, research articles, images, or any other type of information you may have. You can organise these however you like, as long as you are consistent.
Okay, but what about the files inside those folders?
Every time you save something, follow the same format for naming that file. For example, to organise journal articles, you could use the name of the author, the year, and some keywords to describe the content. That way, every file is easy to find later.
How do I know which Word document is the most up to date?
When you've been working on something for a number of weeks, months, or even years, you might find that you have multiple versions of the same file. It can be hard to tell these apart, and using the wrong copy can be a big mistake. When naming your files, add information about which version you're working on. For example, use V1 and V2 for major changes, and decimal places for minor changes. Where possible, delete obsolete versions to avoid confusion.
Do I really need to keep a copy of all of my files?
Correctly backing up your data is crucial. It's best practice to follow the 3-2-1 rule. 3 copies of your data, 2 on different technologies, and 1 off-site. As a UTS staff or student, you can access Cloud Store, which can store up to 100 gigabytes of information online, which is a great off-site option for non-sensitive data. Ultimately, you're the person that benefits most from correctly organising your information. Remember, when you create a file, you want to find it again. Label your information in a way that's clear to you and anyone else you share it with, both now and in the future.